Hi guys, I am so sorry. I am back. This is still the Nature Lovers spring drop sale, but I did have some editing difficulties, so I am going to have to put this into a part 2. So the last video left off with the ephemera bundles, and this is going to pick up with the next items, which are some beautiful book covers. So the ephemera bundles were E1, and this is starting with E2. These are all $3 a piece. So if you bundled them together with the ephemera bundle, it would be about $15 for everything together. Or you can buy them separately again for $3 a piece. So this is E2. It's a great golden book encyclopedia. This is book 4. But I love the collage look of this cover. Has the green end pages inside it. This would make a great like oversized journal or glue book. So that's E2. E3 is this book cover, According to Season, and it has this beautiful gold on the front. And it has kind of like a Art Nouveau type vibe to it. And of course, the spine can be expanded. Number E4 is this William Prince of Orange. Great embossing and debossing on the cover. It's got this pasted in the front. Gorgeous. This next one is called Oasis. And yeah, I didn't cut this apart because I don't know if somebody might want to do something with the spine. It's still really pretty. And it's got this gorgeous gold embossing. This is E5 Oasis. E6 is this one called Living and Loving. And it definitely has more damage on the front, but it's still really nice. Has that great grungy vibe to it. It also has a few pages from the original. This is great paper. And it has the portrait inside of the author. So that's nice. The next one is E7, this wonderful dark green embossed cover. Says the European Library here in the middle. And this is The Life of Cardinal Wolsey by Galt. Another great cover. This one is called The Wayside Lute, and this is E8. Another great cover for a naturalist journal. E9 is this gorgeous one here. I love this. It's a Longfellow's poem book. Has these mums. Love it. And then there is E10, which this blue patterned Reader's Digest, and E11, which is a green floral Reader's Digest. So those are $3 a piece. And then I'm going to move right along to the last lot of books. So this is E12, and this is the Book of Birds. This is by National Geographic. Has a wonderfully embossed cover with the eagle here and this little diamond. It's got like a a really cool like wood grain. I think it's almost like a wood grain pattern embossed into it. And this is $15. 1927 is the copyright on this. And this is all kinds of beautiful bird images in here. I love these kind of like quad formats. You've got black and white images, as well as these absolutely gorgeous. I love the color on these. So nice. Several different formats here. So that's E12, the Book of Birds. Next up for $15 is E13 from the Nature Lovers Library. Okay, let me just make sure it's completely in frame here. And this is from 1923. Actually, yeah, but the copyright is 1917. This one plate is loose. They've got some egg plates here. Some black and white images. And lots of these gorgeous full color plates in here. They are so, so lovely. And very colorful. All right, E14. Another $15 book. This is Hammond's Nature Atlas of America. Entire contents copyrighted 1952. Got some maps in the beginning, and then it goes into this lovely format. You have minerals and rocks in the beginning, trees, wildflowers, gorgeously printed, birds, animals, fish, reptiles, and insects. It's gorgeous. It has lots of these great big pages. These are nice for collage. And that is E14 for $15. Apologize if you guys can hear my husband or kids in the background. They didn't realize that I had to film another video this morning, so hopefully it'll be a quick one. All right, so this next one is Wood's Natural History, and hopefully you guys can see the gorgeous cover. The spine and the whole cover is beautifully embossed. We have birds here, flowers, and this scrolling pattern across the side. Oh, it's so lovely. All right, and this one is going to be $20. There is no copyright in here, but this is antique for sure. I'm gonna say late 1800s, probably 1890s. Full of wonderful etchings and illustrations. It's so lovely. And the pages have a wonderful foxing. They're perfect. They're just beautiful. Whatever kind of nature journaling you're going to do, I think this would be perfect. And the cover is just screaming to be made into a journal. It is gorgeous. So that is E15, $20, Woods Natural History. Next up, E16, another $20 book. This has a little bit of debossing on the front cover. This is an illustrated flora of the northern United States and Canada and the British possessions by Nathaniel Lord Britton. This is volume 3 from 1898. And this is just full of beautifully aged paper and these gorgeous botanicals. Now, this does not have any full color images, but the sketching is extremely good. The font is beautiful. I think the whole layout really lends itself to a nature journal. Any kind of vintage journal, I think this will fit in so, so well. And it is a pretty big volume. So that is E16 for $20. Almost to the end here. This is the next to the last book, and it's also a really big one. This is the Macmillan Wildflower book. And guys, I think, in my opinion, this is the piece de resistance of this whole sale. This is a $20 book, and it's just got a plain cover. But don't let that fool you. It's the first printing from 1954. And it is just pages and pages of the most beautiful botanical plates that I have ever seen. These are absolutely gorgeous. And they're printed with the information on the back, so you don't have to worry about choosing which of these botanicals you want to keep and which one you're going to have to cut through. Look at that. So, so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. The colors are really rich and so beautiful. All right, so that is E17, the Macmillan Wildflower book. And lastly, I have a 2-volume set of the Book of Birds by National Geographic Society. Volume 1 and Volume 2. So I'm selling these as a set for $25. These are E18. Copyright. The latest copyright is 1939 in both US and Canada. And this has a lot of those same beautiful bird plates. They're so nice. It covers a ton of different things. You've got these cute little black and white images, as well as the plates in different sizes. Plates like this. And then, let's see if I can find one quickly. Landscape and portrait. And, well, we passed them a little while ago, but they do have ones that are smaller, like 2 to a page. Like this, but some of them were in color. Yeah, like that. So yeah, a lot of stuff packed into these books. All right, that is it. This was not a lot left over, but I did want to make sure that these got out. Again, if you haven't seen the first video and this is the first video that you're watching, I'm going to leave a link in the description to go back to the first one. It gives you all the whole rigmarole about how I work my drop sales, the emails, the payment, the invoices, all that stuff. So go ahead and go back and watch that. Plus, there's a ton of awesome stuff that I have in the first video that you might like as well. All right, thank you guys. I was so thrilled to be able to do another drop sale for you. And as always, thank you, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.